Hi friends, and I'm sure most of you have been, you know, uh, looking for the best indicator on which can be used for trading. Correct? So uh, I was just trying to look for, see, no doubt the best trading strategy or best indicator for any script. It could be bank nifty talks, forex, crude, gold, or crypto is going to be price action. However, for beginners, I was looking for an indicator which can be easily understood and utilized. So let me just share a few of my findings. Okay, so go to TradingView. I'm sure most of you have a TradingView account. This indicator works best on 15 minutes time frame and 30 minutes also. Okay, so go to indicators, type trend, and when you type trend, you have to choose trend signals with TPA and SL. So when you do this, you get something like this. Go to the settings. You may say, okay, let me show you the default. Okay, these are the default settings. Now I shall change some of them. Here the sensitivity. Okay, let me show you the sensitivity will be 5, make it 2.5. ATR length we can leave it here. Stop loss can make it 0.5. I'll show you once again the default settings are 2. Okay, method will be 1, but we shall change it to zero point 0.5 and 2.5. You might choose to have this cloud MA. Buy and sell signals will be there. Okay, now if you see here, it is given a buy. So very important thing is to look at the candle which it is given by. It is given to this candle, particular candle. So are you going to buy at this candle? No. The moment it gives a buy, make mark the high of this candle. So whenever, and then go to the lower time frame, maybe 15 minutes. Now I'm in 30 minutes. Go to 15 minutes. Whenever it crosses this high, we will buy, which is this particular candle. Now you can see how much of points could we gain here. Let's look at the points, or rather, okay. So we were almost able to gain about 3%. I'm talking about the high. Now, for an additional confirmation, type vortex indicator. Here again, the default settings we need to change. Please remember to make a note of it. Okay, it will be unchecked. Wait for time frame close. Or there's another vortex trend tracker. One moment. Yeah, this also can be chosen, but I somehow think that we just, okay, one moment. I'm also not very proficient because I've been doing a bit of research just for people who've been asking this. Uh, Vortex support and resistance. So I think yeah, we can use the first one, vortex indicator. I actually had looked at another one, but anyway, this is also fine. Now here when there is a buy, the green also is above. So this is an additional confirmation. Okay, this is not an, this is giving you a buy and sell. Additionally, whether we should take it or not, you can use this whenever, if it has crossed, if the blue has if the blue line has crossed the red line, that means it is an additional confirmation that we can take. Okay, here if you see, the blue has crossed downwards and sell has been shared. So yes, we can take, provided it goes below this, and you can see how much of points we could gain here. Here again, blue is above, so we can buy. So you can backtest this strategy. Here blue, I mean buy is given, but blue, it is flat, so there is no proper confirmation. Okay, however, if you notice, when it crosses, the vertex crosses, then this becomes stronger, and you could gain almost, I think, from this line almost about 1%. I'm showing it you on BTC, but you can use it on Nifty also. Let me show you it on Nifty. I hope you have looked at the settings, you have understood. It's very simple. Again, let me just show you here. Okay, it in fact gives you a target 1, 2, 3, and all that. Now see here, it has given you a buy, correct? But blue is below still. So you just mark the high. Wait for this vertex also to cross for a confirmation, and also the price to cross the high of this, right? It has crossed here. This is our buy, and stop loss automatically is being shared here. You have target 1, 2, 3, which your, I would suggest book half here. Rest you keep a stop loss to break even. So you are safe. You can wait for 2 and 3 if it comes. Either ways, you are going to be in profit. Okay. Let us look at it in Bank Nifty. Here there is a buy. We have marked high, waiting for the vertex also to become, to give us a confirmation. You can see how well it has moved, right? Here there's a sell, vertex is already down, so below this is a sell, right? So it crossed over here, or candle closed here, and see the points gained here. Almost about 360 points gain. Isn't it good? I feel definitely this is good. Please, I feel you should test it. Don't do a actual trading. Do a paper trading. Don't go, confidently, because I'm not very, to be very honest with you, I'm not very confident on indicators. But since people have been asking, I made this. But I've, amongst the most of the indicators, I found this more reliable. The win rate must be about 85 to 90%. Here you see there's a buy, high we have marked, candles have not closed, and also the vertex has not given a proper confirmation. Here you see sell below this candle, vertex is already down, and see the gain. Okay, so please backtest it. If you feel good, please share your likes, do share your comments, do paper trade, share your screenshot. I'll be happy. And if I find more views, or rather I can say, if I find uh, thus this indicator is useful, let me research more into indicators, because I'm not an expert on indicators. I purely go by price action. I'll look into a few more and then share you maybe some more. Let's look at whether this will work on stocks. Here there's a sell, On which candle? On this particular candle. Is the vortex below? Yes. So we can take a sell below this candle. Points gain almost what? About 10 points. Not a big, I can't say it's a very big gain, but then still it is good enough. Go for 30 minutes, you will get a stronger, I mean, not exactly a stronger, you get a uh, what you can call as a, you can look at 4 hours if you're looking for swing trades. Here you have a buy, vortex is above. So on the high of this, we are taking a buy. Look at the gain. Here there is a sell on this particular candle, but then your stop loss is hit. But there's no proper confirmation on the vortex. You see the gap or the width in the vortex, that also is important. The more there's a gap, the more there's a stronger movement. So different time, but I would suggest you to try 15 minutes for 30 minutes, 1 hour back test. If you feel comfortable, you can use this, or you can even improvise. See, each one have their own set of strategies, I feel, or what you can say, ideas, thoughts, feelings. So make use of it. Your mind is very powerful. Use and then see how best you can. Here I see a buy on the hourly time frame. It's given a good profitable trade here. Sell here, good profitable trade. So maybe hourly is good. You can look at hourly and that 15 minutes uh, for swing trades. Okay. So thank you all. You can try on maybe let's look at Reliance. Okay, hourly time frame. We're still on the hourly time frame. This sell is given a good profit. Here there's a buy, but I think Vortex was already there above, but the closing is not very clear. Okay, so as I said, price action also makes a very important role. So thank you. If you feel this uh, is useful, try to the different stocks. Uh, Maybe you can try with many people's, I think, favorite. I don't know which one is their favorite. Bank Nifty is everybody's favorite, of course. Uh, Everybody are looking at HDFC Bank, so maybe you can look at HDFC Bank. But HDFC, I'm looking at it a very high time, long-term perspective. So there's a sell here. Let's look at 4 hours. Was there any buy share? Sell only. I think hourly there is a buy which is given today. So maybe tomorrow you can look at whether these targets which have been mentioned would be, so what is the target expected? 1478. So let us watch. Maybe this is an experiment or an homework, or rather to see whether this will work. Okay, vortex is also crossing. Okay, so good luck and God bless you all. Thank you for joining. I'll be sharing views for tomorrow in a different uh, video in